First, lay down 4 ice cream sticks. Prepare your double-sided tape. Rip out around 1 centimeter of tape and stick them on the ice cream sticks like this. After that, remove the outer coverings. Place one stick over the other, like this. And then press down on the corners. Repeat this for the other side, like so. Now, place down a piece of black paper. Trace out a 13 cm by 13 cm square. Now, using scissors, cut out the shape. Remove the outer coverings. Gently place the paper on the frame. And then press down on the corners. Cut out a 10 cm strip of ribbon. Hold the ribbon down with one hand and paste a strip of tape using the other. Pick a suitable picture and then slide it in between the frame and the paper. Finally, decorate it however you like.